Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will help you protect your eyes during online study. First, make sure your screen is positioned correctly, about 20 to 24 inches away from your eyes. The top of your screen should be at or slightly below eye level. Also, ensure your study area has good lighting to minimize glare and reduce overall eye strain. These simple adjustments can make a big difference. To further minimize digital eye strain, remember the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, take a break to look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. This helps your eyes refocus. Also, try to blink more often to keep your eyes moist, and consider using anti-glare screens or blue light filters on your devices to reduce harsh light exposure. Beyond screen adjustments, taking regular, short breaks is crucial. Step away from your screen for a few minutes every hour to rest your eyes and body. Make sure your chair and desk are set up ergonomically to support good posture, which indirectly helps eye comfort. If your eyes feel dry, lubricating eye drops can provide relief. For advanced eye care, don't hesitate to increase the font size on your screen. This reduces the need to squint and makes reading much more comfortable. Most importantly, schedule regular eye exams with a professional to monitor your eye health and catch any potential issues early. And hey, life's too short for cheap socks, so check out Darn Tough with a lifetime warranty. You can find a link to those, along with other great deals, in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.